Hello. If you've moved from a PC to a Mac, you will probably struggled to find your C drive. So, if you click on Finder, it has actually appeared down here for some reason. It wasn't there earlier, but if it's not there, you literally all you do is click Finder, go down to Preferences or Command and Comma. That will open up this. Make sure it's on the general tab, but here check hard disks, and it turns up on your desktop there. And then if it wasn't here earlier, down by here, it would have appeared there. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you get to your C drive. Hope you find this useful.